Which of the following is a vector quantity? Electric current. COVID-19 is caused by virus. Non-flowering plants are also called plants dash. Gymnosperms. The element used in glass preparation. Silicon. Earth rotates around its axis from west to east. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Dengue virus belongs to flavivirus. At the highest point, what will be the acceleration of an object? 9.8 meter per second square. Normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mmHg. Polio vaccine was invented by Jonas Salk. The muscles, tissues and blood all are made up of proteins. Radioactivity measured by which device? Geiger counter. An instrument that measures air pressure is called barometer. Sound waves travel faster in a medium solid. What is the factor affects the boiling of water? Air pressure. Cooking oil can be converted into vegetable ghee by the process of hydrogenation. What is the gravity of Moon as compared to the Earth? 1/6 of Earth. Size of animal and plant is increased by mitosis. Which of the following process is used in water purification? Reverse osmosis. Color of the plants is green due to the presence of chlorophyll.